Today's subject is what is the cycle of death and rebirth? Means to come and go. आवागमन क्या है?
It will mean born, die, again come, die, again come. Come and go, avagaman. Come and go. Come in this world, do something needful, whatever you want to do, and after that die and go away. So this is called avagaman. That what he did in first life, so he will enjoy his second life. In first life what he did, and again born, then come the same. And then go from away, and again he think in this life, so will come. If suppose that farmer sow the harvest first, and when it is ripe, then he cut it. Again he sow and cut. Like that, the man is come, do his work, and after that go away. So for that I told you before that. Now today is this what come and go, avagaman.
Yes.
Avagaman, the first life, what you did so in this life, what you think, so you will get. If you give trouble to somebody, you will get trouble. If you give pleasure, to pleasure. If you help him, to help. Give and take. This is the rule of the give and take. Whatever we give, so we'll take. So in this way, in life, what we do, that we take in the next life. Avagaman means next life. After the end of this life, we again born, and again whatever we have given, so we will reap again. Repetition like that. So this is called avagaman. Birth, death, birth, death. So how to avoid it? It is the spiritual teacher who is perfect. He will give you knowledge. He will give you knowledge that how come and if you don't want to come, then he will tell you rule. So for that, what you do this time, next time we do the same thing, will give or take. So this word is called debt, debit. कर्जा का give and take. कर्जा दिया है किसी को, whatever we have given, so we will take. This. So how to finish this? How to end that? How to finish that? That perfect master will teach you. If you don't want to come, then what you do? We are in the play. So first you whatever want to be good. If you are wealthy man, then you arpati and like that, or Lord enough wealth. And if you want to some position as a prime minister, then you think for that. In your thinking there is power, godly power. Whatever want, so you will get. Whatever strong desire, so you will get. And men have no knowledge about it. Men have no knowledge about it. The perfect man tell you that what you want, so you will get. So always have a positive thinking. Positive means the thing will happen according to your mind, what you like, according to your liking. Suppose that you do business and you want a lot of profit from it, and you calculated this year, I hope that I shall get lot of, because I hope that this thing give more profit. And in the place of the more, when you calculate again, then you see a lot of loss. How it happened? It is happened because suppose that what we think wrong thing here, husband and wife, you are living both in one house, and suppose she told you something bitter, your mother was like this, your mother was this and that, and you feel angry and hate her as jealousy. How is she told by mother's name? It is not good lady. And that you calmly begin to think. So your thought, according to radio waves, radiated to the high sky, and in particular place they stay for particular time, and they will turn in bad luck. Whether you think negatively, to bad luck and come, and the whatever you hope that he not come according to your mind. What you want, so you won't get. It is the result of the evil thinking, negative thought. So always have positive thinking. always have positive thinking. But it is very difficult. Sometimes when we are angry, then we forget. So you remember this, my word. The captain said that whatever you think, so will result. If I think negatively, then I will suffer. That is knowledge. You cut it and you say, let him do whatever he do, he will get. If he give pain to others, he will get pain. If he take evil against others, he will get trouble. So knowledge is all and everything. And this knowledge will give the perfect master. The man like us, who is a man and he has the power, he knows about the God, God's really, from where they become, what is God, or what is we are. So he will explain you in the first lecture today, where is the God, I told you. Where is the God? So men have been getting this knowledge since it began. But Rishi Muni, Brahman told it like that. How man can be happy? Always. And for them, since then, men do not understand, no, where is the God? Up to this time, it is not fixed place. After so long, and till nobody knows from where is the God. Some say that God is in the temple, some say no in Moscow, some say no in church, some say no, there is jungle, some say no, high in the sky. It is not settled. So for that thing, what I realize, telling you, God is in man. What proof I have? What is speaking in you? Tell me. What is speaking in you? Do you know it? Blank about it. Not you, Rashtrapati, also blank. If somebody asks Rashtrapati, sir, what is speaking in you? Like that. Nobody knows. So God is in and man don't know. God is with him. He given all power or talking, but he don't. So who will tell you this? Perfect master. How is talking? If you want to know, yes, I shall tell you the way. That is not direct, you cannot approach. If you go to the sun, you cannot go. You burned. Yes. If you go to further beyond sun, there is a power from which the moon, star, all and everything he produces. His radiation come and the sun, the moon, then star, all and everything. And from that power is in man here. A small particle in man, the supermost, the super God. From that, so you are the God and very high God. From that, so what qualities God has, so you have. He has whatever think, so will be there. So what is the power is in your thought, your thinking, your idea comes to you. Your demand, what to demand, so you will get. If you want worldly thing, you think about the worldly thing. Whatever you want, you will get. If you want other things, you can know. If you want to know the God, then you can know it. You approach to the perfect master who is living, he is like a man, like us, he will tell you. And he will show the way of this here. I told you yesterday, I told you that he will start from here, this, that, and here you reach, then you become unconscious and you meet with the God. Senseless. So this is the doorway to meet the God, to go out, to meet him and come in, so your body will work all and everything. Suppose that you are a man. You made up 4 things. First body, then mind, and then soul. For the body. The body is from what? 5 elements is there for body. Earth, water, fire, and wind, and sky. 5 elements compose, and that is man's body. And when he destroys, the 5 mix with 5. So body is this. And the mind, what is mind? Impression or suggestion, whatever you listen, whatever read in the book, and the thing is very interesting to you, very nice. So good impression. And that impression come and in subconscious mind. When it is time, at that time they come before you. If you good, then positively in you. If bad impression, then you are afraid or cry. In the dreamland, you look like that. You see, there so many men is somebody there. They are calling this and that, but when your eye open, there is no man at all. So that is impression or suggestion which fallen on your mind, and then they forget. You realize that. In the Swapna and in the Sadhana, what is Abhyas? You say the Abhyas. The Guru, outside the Guru, men like us, he gives us the ideas that in you enter here, and here you will see the shape of the Guru. Guru will meet you here. You have given the idea, and you concentrate. But for concentration, what need? What is the essential thing? Maintain celibacy. If you lost your celibacy, the immaturity, your mind is empty, and you cannot run. If you do more try, balance brain, you mad, half mad. So for this is celibacy is necessary. If no celibacy, from today you maintain it. So whatever your age, 40, 55, any age, from today, you be careful for that. And for that, we are family men here. The wife is there, so compromise with her. This you lost, and I lost. Because in power in you, is what is power? In power, so one day he takes the food, it digests, then one drop of the blood accumulate. From that we get one blood of one drop. If 40 days continually you take the food and that digests, then 40 drops of the blood in the body. You work this and that, and among this and that, always happy to research, to play game, to write books, to try to meet the God, like that. That is in blood. And one blood, 40 drops make one bone of the semen. Semen, do you understand semen? The things which man produce. That is in man and woman both. That is the very valuable thing. 40 drops of the blood is suppose that there is 10 kilo of the milk, and you get the cream.
Butter cream.
So it is like cream. The milk, from milk you get the cream. In same way, from the blood change in the cream. And that is very valuable. For children, produce is very useful. For children, if you want to produce the children like us, that is useful. But if you for enjoyment use it, then you are wasting that. It is very valuable thing, so man should maintain it. And if husband and wife live happy, and if they don't take children, they be careful for maintain the celibacy. They have a happy, always happy, and they like friend. They never quarrel. They were Texan. Men like to woman, woman like to man. Always election. There is no quarrel. We say to see one another because they have a cream in power. To semen is very necessary. For realization to concentration is also semen is necessary. If there is no semen in it, empty, cannot do. So for this realization of God, if you want to see inside, so you maintain the celibacy. And then I told you that there is two ways. There are two ways to go up. One way is the light, and other way is the
Sound. So darkness.
So darkness way is the way of the sound, and light way is the bright is light. So somebody reach there through light, and somebody through sound. So Sant nowadays tell the man to take the sound, that is much better. Because the light is required very much cream, brahmachari. And sound need but some. And automatically you are love and you go there. So that is the way to leave the body. And where is the naam? Where is the naam? The name is not here. Name is on in the after the fourth stage. First stage is you concentrate here, and all the power you draw up here. When your sense, your what is the spirit come here, then you see the photo of the Guruji, and you have no conscience of the body. So you one stage you clear. You leave the body. And second is the perfect master tell you that you leave the water, but sir, I see the photo of the Guruji, this and that, and so many other pictures, and so many things I see, this and that. Then he will say, this is not your destination. You are at a mental level. Your mind make that is nothing. I do not come, but somebody says, you come, I don't come. So who? Your faith, you have created me. And that is new thing for all. Like me, nobody is saying it to you. So long you have been study the books or other, no sant said like that I don't go to you, and you create that. No, I telling you, I am the second man. First was the Pandit Fakir Chandji in 19th century, and no, I know it. You have power. You create that. Somebody says, sir, you came and help me this and that. Okay. But gentlemen, I did not come. I do not know. He say, no, sir, I see. Oh, no, that is power in you. Your faith and desire. So your faith, your mind project that. I do not come. So some say, you gave me that thing, this happened, because there is no power in me. It is power in you, in your faith. You are believe. That whatever he gave you, that's all strong. So you produce that. Do you follow me? Get in? You?
Yes.
So power in you. So you came here for special purpose, and that is not easy thing. You have so many, invest so many expenses from there. Lot of money in the air, by air he came here. Then he had a hotel investing, and he gave me lot of money. That I do not, he said, what I think bringing for you, I don't want anything. Everything is with me. You come, I shall be glad to see you. I shall be glad to see you only. You come. But still, he, without my desire, without my demand, he brought a lot of money. Then I said, what to do? He bring, I do not demand. So what to do? I should use in such a way for him. I shall grow the harvest for that. I shall give you for the knowledge. So he will do in the internet. This knowledge he will spread there in all the Europe and English speaking area. For that I shall speak. I told him, you take it and keep record to me. Show me. So he will show. Because I don't demand. I am everything I have. I am a pensioner officer. I am getting so much. If there are 20 men, other is working here, I said, you work and I shall give you all you want. Understood? Still you will bring. It means that you have something. But that is not useful for me. If I use them, those who are maintaining the ashram there, the self ashram, and they, for the facility of the devotees, come there. For them, shelter, this and that, and food, they are right. But if they enjoy the money of your, fly in the air, they go there, they are flying aeroplane, they will get punishment. Punishment means just they are guru, after some time he is jail. All will all come there. Those who are doing like that, the God will give punishment to them. One is the law of land and other law of Lord. So there is no excuse. Here we give some bribe and this and that and you can escape. But he do not let go. If a man is doing like that, the God is for him. If doing mischief here and deceiving the people, and by brave he say accept himself, but God do not let him to run away. He will give something. He is somebody's trouble or something like that. So he started. Do you follow me? So God is within you and you have no knowledge about it. God in you, everybody. And you have no knowledge. But if you get knowledge, oh, carefree, no trouble at all. Every time we are happy. What is sin for that? That is different, like I describe you later on. But if God got you, and the perfect master explain you, and you have believed that, all right, this is it. You have believed that God is with me, no trouble at all. No fear, no fear, no fear of the death and anything. Everything will come. Oh, God will do good for me. Whatever He do, He is good for me. You believe. So what was that talking?
The cycle of birth and rebirth.
Birth, rebirth.
Avagaman.
So avagaman. So how the avagaman we can escape from this avagaman? Avagaman, the perfect master gives knowledge that what you think, so will you. What you grow, then you have to come to reap the harvest. What you grow. And when you don't grow anything, you need not to think. So at last he say, what you think positively, so that you will have all and everything. And later on he will say, you don't think positive or negative. So how to think? Suppose that you are a businessman, and when you enter in your office, before entering, opening, oh God, it is your office. I have nothing. What is profit is your, what is loss is your. I am working, I am puppet in your hand. So I do your duty and go. This is not my offer, and enter in the office, do all the work, and going time, close, I did your work. That is not, I do nothing. You do not think about it. You do not think about the profit or loss, nothing. If you do not grow the harvest, then you have not to cut it, not to reap it. What harvest you go, it means what think you sow, so will you reply. So the things stop ही, that not positive, not negative, neutral. क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में, क्या कहते हैं इसको? कर्म करे निकर्म रहे, कर्म करे निकर्म रहे, ऐसी जुक्ति भाई को संत गुरु संत को आवे जो कर्म करे निकर्म रहे, ऐसी जुक्ति ऐसी तरीका होता है, ऐसा मेथड. He will tell you the method is this, as I understood, that whatever you do, that you think it is his work, not mine. This all is whatever I have, they God's. Because when I breathe out, everything will be here. I will not. Empty hand I come in this world, and empty hand I will go. No thing you can take with you. Heavy thing you cannot take with you, because there is a gravitation of land. So that margin you cannot cross it. If you are taking a heavy thing, suppose the photo of your Guruji, you won't go there. So here living, the perfect master tell you, the photo of Guruji having, you won't go. If at the dying time the photo of the Guruji came, don't bother about it. You come again, other birth, and get all what deficiency you complete it, and reach the destination. Next. And if there is only sound is coming in you, simply the name of the God, then there is no weight in the sound, and no weight in your spirit. Simply you go there, and never come to it. Mix with the God, and a part of God is mixed with it. Suppose that you are a drop of water, and if the drop in this ocean, sea, and you think where is the drop? It mixed with the water. So same thing happen with you. So if you want to get rid of the avagaman, Avagam se Sutana Satya Pitha. So what you do? What you do?
You go in the sound and merge in the sound.
Last. This is be. In the meditation, you go at the last, at the dying time. When you are dying, at that time the sound is simply, and you are listening. This spirit. Listening. Slowly, spirit is separate. This is a part of God. Separated. Here, play. God is playing here. And you come there. So if you at the dying time, the sound is simply come to you, and you realize that this is go to their destination, go and you mix with the God. You mix with the water, the drop is mixed with the water. Or if you are a rays of the light, then the ray mixed with light. That is. Get in or not? If not get in, tell him.
Next question. If the form shape of a true master comes in front of a dying man, then where he will go? You already told that.
I told that you will come again.
Yes.
In the shape of when you come, and what is your other work complete, which you cannot.
Pending work will finish.
And you understand that thing. And last time you come, sound simply come, and you won't come here. Other thing.
Suppose there is a disciple who has not reached to the light and sound, but he wants to meditate. So what form he should meditate?
But he says that a man is for the seeing, but
yeah, I want to ask that a man meditates but not able to see light and not able to hear sound, and he wants to meditate. Where he do meditation?
If a man is suppose not realize the light and sound, not reach there, and he want to again meditate. So how to meditate? He is asking like that. It means that for such a man, if come in front of me, I see his face, and seeing face, I understand that he is 70, 80 years, 70 years, 62 years old, and his face is closed. It means that he lost his
no sign.
Semen.
Yes.
He lost his semen, extra, more than needed, extra. So there is no power in him. So I shall tell him, you need not to see the light and sound. Don't try. So what to do? You simply keep the belief, faith in God. The God is with me, He will give all and everything. You simply believe. Simply believe in God. He will do all and everything. You need not to meditate on this thing. In your faith is all and everything. What you faith that He is always with me, He will help me. He will help me. He is always with me. Believe in God. And believe in God is, you take the God a living master. एक जिंदा आदमी को living master, living perfect master. And you think that He is God and all and everything. You make Him. See, darshan Him and see, He is God. He will do all and everything. Only believe. That is enough. Because he have lost all the things. So doing such ideas he have, next life he will go and everything will be ready for him and get the path and maintain the celibacy and get there. He need not to. I said, don't go. If you try, then you will be balance. The balance will be
disturbed,
and you will be a madman.
Yes.
Do you understand you?
But there may be many other distractions also, such as food, water, beverages, family disputes, discord here, struggles there. These things also play a very important role in man's mind. And when he wants to
IG Saab is saying that you said celibacy is necessary, but he is saying that celibacy is necessary, but there are many more things which disturb your meditation. Because of you are not able to concentrate in the mind. There are a lot of problems in life. There are other problems like financial problem, family problem, and health problem. They don't allow you to concentrate in the mind.
Need not to concentrate.
Yes.
I telling you, need not to concentrate. Only you believe in that. you faith in that.
That is true.
That is things. Your faith will do all and everything.
Absolute surrender.
Hmm.
Absolute surrender to God.
Bas. God is all and everything for me.
And God is only.
And he is in the shape of the divine master.
Yes,
He can talk to divine master. He can ask the divine master. He can ask the perfect master, divine master. So he took the perfect master as he is, and he surrendered to him. It is faith. What he say? Only faith is all and everything. Because the man of today ask a question, sir, have you met the Rama? Have you met the Krishna somewhere? No. So the perfect master will say, you create. Your mind create the Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, Shiva, this and that, all. Your mind. You are all and everything. You have this power. No, none has seen the God. Suppose that. He says, Rama, what you understand? Tell. You ask them and what reply? What
He is saying that faith is all and everything.
he surrendered himself.
If you surrender to the true master, he will get everything what you want.
So you do nothing. This is the point is the same. The point is same. He surrender. He believe. He believe in that. To believe and faith is all and everything. So for that he need not to concentrate this and that, nothing. That believes of whatever he want, he will get. Whatever he want, he will get. Whatever he demand, that he will get. Whatever demand, that will be supplied automatically. The power in you. You are the creator of the Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. You are creator of the Devi, Bo, Prana, Hanuman, the other Devi Devta. There is nothing as Devi Devta. You are the Devta of the Devta. You are the Devta of the Devta. You create that. Man create that. Where he live. And it is good for him, but not for all. Universal truth is that power is in you. That not in Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh and other. The power in you. You are the God. You are the God here. You create these things. Understood?
yes.
Got in? Samjhe? That's all. Yeah.
Yes. Next is, many times a person do not want to do bad deeds, inauspicious deeds, bure karam.
Mm.
Even then it happens. So why?
Yes. Do you understand his question? That is the bad deeds come in front of him. Whatever his bad deed previously, they came at that time. So you don't want to think you learning, but at that time he forget all the knowledge and this and that, and he began to see he is bad man, this and that, this he did, this and this. And he remember, why are you remembering that? He cut it. That is the knowledge. That is the knowledge. But I say you remember that time. Remember the thing, then you avoid it. Bad deed, you know,
Yes.
you are
Ashubh karam.
you want to do good thing always. You want to keep the always positive idea. But till sometimes the negative ideas come. So why? Some bad deed come against you. And at that time you forget all the knowledge. And you do like that. And when he awaken, then he regret, I did. So he again think that in future I do not.
Maharaj, why it so happens?
Suppose that I called you, invited you, please come such and such day. You wanted to come, but still you could not come. Why? Some bad deeds in front of you, and that is why.
Because of some compulsions in the family.
That is compulsion you take in any form, but some bad deed, something bad luck. But what I am saying, and what is the question? Question that you don't want to do anything bad, but still you do. So Guru Nanak they say that Sada Ham Bhulanhar. Sada Ham Bhulanhar. We have always forget the thing. And that is due to I give you a solid example today that you wanted to come, I invited him and he want to come but could not come. Why? Some bad deed come in front of that problem created the atmosphere, something happened this in family, this and that he could not come.
Maharaj ji, even if Satguru is repeatedly told why does not wisdom of disciple be determined? Means a Satguru give knowledge again and again, and the buddhi, the wisdom of the disciple don't fix. He is keeping wavering mind. Why the wisdom is not fixed, determined?
Wavering mind is, is something you don't understand. The excess of, do not maintain the brahmacharya life, celibacy.
Yes.
Mentally or physically. He did not maintain that. So the lack of that is wavering mind. Mind not fixed. Concentrate, not concentrate. That is the reason I told you very previously. Then other thing was what?
The Satguru is repeatedly told, बार बार बता रहा है, even then his wisdom, his buddhi not determined.
The bad deed is in
Bad
front of
deeds,
him.
Ashubh
he
karma.
could not get.
Okay. Okay. The next is, nowadays many masters are giving satsang. Even then, why people are uneasy in the state of restlessness? बेचैन है, सभी जगह सत्संग हो रहे हैं फिर भी बेचैन है.
Their mind is not fixed,
Okay.
gentlemen.
Okay.
He is talking, but they are thinking something else.
Okay.
Your mind is not fixed.
Okay.
I told you that how to attend my sermon.
Yes.
You concentrate on me. Look at me. Open eye. You fix. Your mind will go here, there, bring here. You go here, you bring here. If your mind thinks so something else, you come here. Always see me. Look, so you will get my radiation. If you suppose that you don't understand the language, but see, the radiation come, induce in you, and they will help you. Radiation will induce in you, and you will later on you will get benefit of it. It cannot be missed. It give you benefit.
Is it because of gurus also?
Whatever the Guru says, that is according he is saying. What he understood. So we cannot condemn all the Guru. Suppose a Guru is, all the teacher we cannot condemn. That PhD is a Guru, that I said I am not the teacher of the lower classes, primary, this secondary college. I am teacher of the PhD. Say, but PhD का मतलब what mean? Those who having intellectual and buddhiman, doctor, engineer, mechanic, professor, IAS, IPS officer, they have clear mind and know all and everything and concentration in them. Then they got that thing. They can understand why. Listen my sermon and they attract. Listen my, those who do not meet me so long, but they listen and they believe and they write me. They talk to me in telephone. Sir, I heard your sermon and I very like them. You are wrote in such a way before nobody ever wrote in the literature or nobody saying no. They are convinced for that because they are intelligent. They are intelligent. They have a good sharp knowledge.
Sharp mind. Sharp mind.
Um,
Next question is, if the disciple is having a true master and if the true master leaves the body, then what should the disciple do? Means एक चेले ने गुरु बनाया हुआ है और गुरु शरीर छोड़ देता है.
what he is saying, do you understand?
If the master is passing away,
Uh,
what the disciple shall do then?
master means the knowledge.
Yes.
Master means who give knowledge. If you get knowledge, then master did not went away. He is present. But if you do not get that knowledge, then you have to search for other master. If from that master you could not get anything, then you should approach other. Suppose that you are learning math, and you went to math teacher for tuition, coaching, and he is unable to understand you, his language or that, then you should good night to him, good morning to him, good day, and you go to other. To search for the master who is living and know this thing. You will approach. There is no harm. If you are saying 20 gurus, don't bother. Where you satisfy, where you need to go there. If you find the real master, you will not go anywhere. Not go. I met once from the Fakir Chandji, first for Charan Singh Maharaj, this and that, so many well to do.
Well-known gurus.
I went there, but though not satisfied. And when I come to Kirtanji, he did not speak too much. 3-4 things he told. Come at 10 o'clock. When I went at 10 o'clock in the morning, he was sitting and there were so many pictures. He was writing letter. At that time there is no telephone. So he wrote the letter reply of the disciple. Seeing me take chair. No, I don't take chair for you. I shall sit down in the earth. I sat down. He said, you went to Vyas. What you want? I want to know what is the bhajan. What is the bhajan? I want to understand that thing. Because Subhadar Bhat, I wrote it, that is Subhadar Dharamchand. In the morning, night, do not sleep. So he sat in for bhajan. So I asked him, what are you do? I do bhajan. What is that? Subhadar said that a very good thing. Still, very good thing. Tell me what is good thing is there. He said, I cannot tell it. So who will tell? Guruji. Who is Guruji? Sound Singh Maharaj. Where is he? Well, no, he left the body, he gone to other. He died. He is not more. Who is there? Charan Singh Maharaj is there, nowadays working there. All right. So I went to him and I could not believe. So he asked me, you went to Vyas, why do not understand that? Why do not ask him what is bhajan? Well, I ask, but I do not believe at all. I do not believe. So how many men there? A lot of. So they are getting something, or they useless they come, but they may getting something, but I did not. Okay. Then ask him. He said like, but you see this statue, murti of the statue of the Guru. His Guru Datta Dayal was there. So see that. When he was in body, I took him as a God, super being. And whatever I wanted in the life, I got all everything. I believe he is the God, this and that. And you know, if you abuse him or throw some dirt
Garbage.
on it,
Garbage. Kuda.
he will not harm you. I do not understand what you are saying. Mana to Dev Nimitka Dev. If you suppose believe in that, you get all everything. If you know, believe nothing. And I felt that he won't understand something, put the hubble bubble there and meditated. He went in samadhi. And that during that time, I think that what he doing this, and he's saying this man is right because he telling if you have faith, then you will get. If you have not faith, not. Thinking like that. And at that time, I don't know, 5 minutes or 2 minutes, he here, he plays. The small children, no, soft. Here. तन टिप टिप करता है ना बच्चे के, इधर आए कॉन्सेंट्रेट हुआ. तो ये सतलोक से आ गया. सतलोक तो यहाँ तक है. जो सचखंड है, जो स्वर्ग है, वो यहीं तक है. वो वाइट लाइट जो है, और इसके आगे की चीज़ है. इसको अलग कहते हैं. अलग निरंजन, अलग निरंजन. So I concentrate here, and sometimes my attention is as I fly up, and very much undescribable pleasure I realize at that time. And then, sometimes somebody is pulling me going up from the earth with left hand. And sometimes in that condition, Guruji, Oka, hubble bubble, and I woke up and I stand before him, folded hand. Sir, I realizing this thing like that. My attention is where? Here, in this place. Oh, well, very good. This is the bhajan and this is the name. You need not to go there. This will take you one day. This is bhajan. You get the true route to approach your God. You need not to go here, there. Tell him, okay, that okay.
The last one is that Maharajji, you say there is one true master in the world. You also written this on the calendar. And this is the secret and this is the truth. What is the meaning of it?
This is sacred.
Yes, this is the secret, यही रहस्य है, and this is truth, यही सत्य है. सतगुरु दुनिया में एक है. There is one true master in the world. What is the meaning of this?
Meaning of this is in man. He is in man. He is one. He is one God. God is one. That is not different. He is in the man. And this is sacred. Man have no knowledge about it. This is sacred that God is in you, in man, and men have no knowledge. Every man, if God is in you. The trouble is, you have no knowledge. And where? In your thinking, in your thought, in your wish, in your strong desire, godly power. And about it, you have no knowledge about it. This is sacred. I tell you that the man, he is man, his body, mind, and soul. Three things is there, and he is statue. If there is no God, no sense is statue. The sense, the spirit come in him, and he is God. The God is away, and God comes, suppose the mother in womb. After 3 months, a child began to move. After 3 months, God entered in that. Before that, he says life. Only life is suppose the ring is life, body, mind, and soul. And fourth thing, enter in the man after 3 months of the pregnancy of the woman. There is no knowledge. If they move here, mother is happy. Whatever mother thinks, so is man. Mother is all and everything. Mother gives the man how to speak. Mother is the guru of the guru. And those who do not respect his mother, he won't get anything. He may be king of the king. He because he is in debt. We cannot return the mother, whatever mother give for us. He took trouble. He take the first baby food and then he take. And suppose the baby uneasy in the bed.
Great sacrifice.
And those who do not get up in early morning and do not wish his mother, that is not good. If people go in the temple and put the head in the statue. And the statue, the mother is leaving Guru there. If early morning get up and go there in front of us, Ami, bless me so that I will be happy. Ami, bless me so that I will be an officer. Ami, bless me so that my business run smoothly. And the same thing to father. To go to the father and mother. We cannot return for them. And those who do not know this, they suffer. They do not respect to mother, they won't get anything. And they respect the mother, always think my son is so like early morning come and say me good morning. And say me mother bless me for this and this. My son is this. We always give him good wishes. And due to his good wishes, he improve, he will get already. Some people say, sir, I come to you for prasad, because I am going for appear in this examination, this and that, you bless me. You say, you get this blessing from your mother, you will get all everything. And you do not get, then tell me. If he believe in my word, he will get that. So same, the mother has all and everything. First Guru is the mother and father. If there is no mother, not tell to talk, how to talk, this and that, Ullu. So the real Guru is mother. So you are not a small thing. Jagat Janani. So if you have knowledge, to what kind of child you want, so you will want. If you want that my child is a great man, should be great man, to great man. If you think that, before that the child come in the womb, you think like, oh God, bless me, such a son. So he please me. So he obey me and my family. And give me help in order to think this and that. And in trouble always with me. And not me. All the people are very in trouble. Can't he help them all? It will, mother's demand is very high. One man cannot help the people. So mother demanded, God, you come to me as a son and be a great man and give their knowledge and this and that all. So whatever mother will. So this education, I think that this my teacher added in the academic course. Then the young girls and boys understand this before producing children. And this book has been written one small. Sukhi Jivan Ka Rahasya, Secret of Happy Life. In that I wrote this. What the mother wants, so will get. And after that, when the child is in womb, then she should think like that. Never quarrel, never be angry, this and that. So child will be like that. If he angry with the husband, angry. If he angry with the mother-in-law, he will be angry. So if the child is in womb, the mother is thinking other positively, happy. And read good book, standard book. So the boys will be intelligent, all everything. And after the smart boys, always give good idea. Good him, encourage him, telling good, you are a good man. You will be a great man. Some boys I put 3 steps. Guruji gave you 3 steps, you will be a great man. I say great man. So you say a great man. The idea will give you, he will be a great man. The mother has all and everything. And other
Now
things.
it's over. Thank you, Maharaj. Have any questions?
I want to ask you one thing. In many people's dreams, you come and you help them out to get out of many difficulties. I have gone through your entire literature, your books. I have gone through not once but 3-4 times. I have gone through all your books. You have helped many people in many situations, very difficult situations. You come in the dream and you help them out. How is that possible?
You,
IG Sahib is saying that you come in the dream of people and help them. What they want, you help them to bring that, to get that. What is the truth behind this?
I do not know that is he belief, that is faith. I don't know about, I do not go. Who go? He man who create. Your mind create that thing. Myself or the other self and thief self and other self and both also. There is no both. What you have heard
Ghost.
about the both, the subconscious mind there is. There is nothing you make that all. He is educated man, Inspector General of Police, high official, and what he is saying. What he is saying, it is faith. He has faith. Faith is all everything. He has faith means that God is, you are God. Faith is best thing. I,
Maharaj ji, recording is there on. So it's taking long time.
okay.
Any questions?
Thank you, Aziz Sahib. You understood that?